Hello, welcome to Small Bites. I am your Srivarshini here to talk about computer brain chips. We would have thought of just zooming the book in a second and memorizing the information from it. But it was just mere imagination. What if it is possible? Elon Musk unveiled in late August a pig that had a computer chip in its brain for 2 months, in hopes that the small device would be able to read from neurons and write signals to the brain. Musk said his 4-year-old neuroscience company, Neuralink, is preparing for the first human implementation soon. But that revelation worries Rahmi Akteb, who heads the Informatics Association of Turkey. If the chip in question is widely used, it is possible to control people against their will and even turn them into a killing machine by seizing the chip, he told Anadolu agency. One scary scenario could involve users being controlled and unconsciously acting because they cannot decide if their actions are ethical or even true. They could steal the possessions of others or, in the worst case, kill. All kinds of computer based systems can be hacked by cyber attackers, he said, and it is obvious that Neuralink's tiny computer chip can also be seized and used for malicious purpose. Uptape said the main purpose of brain computer interface studies is to learn about the human brain and to treat memory loss, hearing loss, depression, and similar diseases by monitoring changing brain signals. However, no one can claim that this will definitely not be used to control people in the future, said Uptape. There is a hidden aim of the chips he described as a project of creating smart people versus smart robots. With advancements in artificial intelligence and robots getting smarter by the day, Musk could potentially create the best and smartest version of humans with his chip to make the user act faster or possibly memorize everything like a computer. Thank you, and I hope you learned something new in this video.